Hey everybody, it's Alec from Revival Cycles. We're known for our custom builds and our restorations, and also for selling a lot of cool aftermarket parts for your motorcycle. But did you know we also sell consumables? We sell tires, tubes, oils, lubes, cable kits, electrical components, hand tools that you need for any electrical work and or just engine work or motorcycle work in general. Basically anything that you need to run, ride, or work on your motorcycle, we sell. Just visit our website, revivalcycles.com, and if you can't find it on there, just shoot us an email and we'll be happy to get it for you. And for God's sake, wash your hands.
Now's the time of video where most people ask for money or donations or whatever. I'm not gonna ask you for that. What I'm gonna say to you is, if you wanna see more videos and you wanna learn more of what we've learned, and you wanna see a deep dive into a lot of these topics, go to our website and buy something. We sell everything from motorcycle gear, helmets, motorcycle parts, specialized tools. We sell lots of things, and they've all taken us years to figure out what the best stuff is, and we figured it out. So go to revivalcycles.com. There's some really good stuff there. Everything from like kick-ass hand grips from Posh to Radiance LED lighting and everything in between. We want to teach you what we know, but this stuff takes time and it takes real effort to make these videos and make them good for you guys. So go support us by helping yourself to the cool stuff you already need. And it helps us because we make a little bit of profit and then we can justify doing more videos. Thanks for your support.